Howdy! Today we're going to work on building the casters for the front end of the mower. What we have to do is we have to cut the steel. We're going to drill the holes for the axle and hopefully get all those welded up. So right now we're cutting the steel for the casters. So if you want to come along for the ride, here we go. Now once we get one cut, it's just a matter of duplicating 3 more. So now we're going to double check our wheel. Since it's going to ride, I want to go to the center, from the center of the axle up. It's looking like if I put it right in there, I'll have plenty of room. I got 3/8 steel to build these out of. I think it's going to be plenty heavy. So let's make another cut. Right now, something you want to do when you're doing these kind of things is you keep your first one as a pattern. Alright? Because every time you cut, you may lose 1/16, an 1/8, whatever. Like if I lost as little as 1/8 of an inch, by the time I cut 4, I'm 1/4 inch off. So that's why you keep you always mark off the same one and never mark them all out, then cut them. Just do it, take your time, cut them right. Now, we got to measure across the wheel, here to here, allow for play. So we're looking at 4 inches wide. So we're going to cut 5 inches wide. No, we're not. We're going to cut because we want. We're going to weld those on the ends, yeah. So we got to add 3/8 and 3/8, which is 6/8, which is 3/4, right? Yeah, we got to add 3/4 of an inch. So it's got to be 5 3/4. We're going to use the factory edge. Come out 5 3/4. There. Go be a square. Oh, handy dandy speed square. Check it again. I need 2 of these. Now I've gone over to the grinding wheel so we can take these edges off. Now, something I'd like to point out. When you're doing this kind of stuff, seriously, wear safety glasses. It don't take much for those things to blow up, and it can really, really hurt you. And second, wear the right clothes. Now, I got my bibs on. Remember when I told you about stepping on the honey locust thorn? I knew from experience it go right through your foot or through your shoe. Well, if you don't wear the right clothes and you use a grinder or a cutoff wheel and such, you will catch on fire. Once again, I know this from experience. So wear the right stuff. It really is important. Alright, I got ahead of myself. Glad I caught it. Don't get me wrong, I enjoy welding. It's one of the reasons I probably got ahead of myself. What we got to do now is drill the holes for the axles. So we're going to come on over here to the drill press and get set up to do that. Okay, so what I did, measured up from the center of the axle to the top of the tire is 6.5 inches. So if I come down 6.5 inches, yeah, come to right there. If I come in here an inch, here 2 inches for the center, and then I go 6.5 inches from that mark, I'm going to put the top of the tire right there. Yep, I think that's what we want right there. Alright, let's get a center punch. And then we're going to drill a pilot hole. I'm going to set up my drill press. Alright, here we go. Let's drill a pilot hole. The two that I'm drilling together, I have to keep together because these parts aren't perfect. Now what I've done was I've gone through them and tried to match them as close as I could. So when I go to grinding and making a match, I don't have to take that much off. So let's do some working. I think my bit's like super dull.